Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 359th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today's recipe I'm going to share with all of you a classic yellow cake. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And once you taste this yellow cake, you'll never buy it out of the box again. This would be your go-to recipe. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cakes playlist for more recipes. So grab your flour, your butter, and your egg sugar, because we're about to bake some yellow cake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to sift them all together. Alright, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter that I'll let come to room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of canola oil. Going to make the cake nice and moist. And 2 cups of white sugar. And we're going to cream all these ingredients together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 3 large eggs and 2 large egg yolks at room temperature. Going to add them one at a time. Alright, last egg. Mix this up real good until it's well incorporated. Next we're going to add in a half a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of pure butter extract. Mix those in until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the flour mixture alternatingly with 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, beginning and ending with flour. Alright, last is the flour. Mix that in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, and this is optional. I'm going to add just a little yellow food coloring. I like it just a little bit more yellow. Alright my friends, our cake batter is done. I can smell the butter extract. And look at that beautiful yellow batter. Nice and whipped. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the cake batter into the pans. We're going to pour them into 2 9-inch round cake pans that are greased with baking spray. All right, my friends, now we're going to shake them. And then we're going to bang them to get some of the air bubbles out. Alright, now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my yellow cake out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are? Perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool completely on the wire rack, and then I'll put them on my cake stand and we'll ice them. Alright, my friends, our cakes is nice and cool. Now it's time for the fun part, the frosting. I'm going to frost it with this luscious chocolate frosting that I made on my last video. I'll post a link to that recipe down below in the description box. Put some frosting on top. Just going to frost all over the cake. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing the first layer. I'm going to put that on top. Going to put some frosting on top. And just ice it all over. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing the top cake, and then I'll ice the sides and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing my cake, and off camera I added some chocolate sprinkles on top. Doesn't that look delicious? Alright, I'm about to cut me up a slice. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Classic yellow cake. And you made it completely from scratch. Look at the inside. Beautiful yellow. That looks marvelous. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Oh yeah, nice and soft. Mmm. Moist. Nice and buttery. Oh, that chocolate frosting is incredible. This is magnificent. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum! Yellow cake licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.